Josh O'Connor and Meghann Fahy's new Western family drama will fill the Yellowstone void. Western fans have reason to be excited as Josh O'Connor and Meghann Fahy star in the upcoming film Rebuilding, promising the kind of rugged, character-driven storytelling reminiscent of Yellowstone. Anticipation is high, with viewers already eager for the movie's release. Josh O'Connor's new movie is called Rebuilding. It follows Dusty, a cowboy who loses his ranch and moves into a FEMA camp where his ex-wife and daughter are staying. As he rebuilds his life and relationships, the story explores family, community, and personal growth, with Josh O'Connor delivering a notably compelling performance. Rebuilding is set to release in select Regal theaters on November 14, 2025, before a nationwide release on November 21, 2025. Rebuilding features Josh O'Connor as Dusty, the cowboy at the heart of the story. Lily LaTorre joins him as his daughter, Callie Rose, and Meghann Fahy as his ex-wife, Ruby. The ensemble also includes Kali Reese, Amy Madigan, Zeliana Martinez, Jules Reed, Binky Griptite, Jefferson Mays, Sam Engbring, David Bright, Nancy Moreland, and Teresa Ott-Berriger, bringing depth to the community and the FEMA camp surrounding Dusty's journey. Rebuilding was filmed in the San Luis Valley in Colorado in 2023.